Hey folks, Lumberman 2011 here. Just gonna finally get around to testing out this little camp stove that Robert with BluegrassBushcraft sent me so kindly. And anyway, I'll be pulling this baby out. And here's the stove that he made. She made some mods too. It's very cool, which canteen cup sets on that. So anyway, we're going to attempt to make a little fire here. Then I also have some stuff my friend the MI Woodsman sent me. It's a cooker, and we're going to be boiling up a little bit of water with that as well. Maybe later, depends on what happens here. We got in between a little break time here, but there we got a little fire going. This is birch bark. We used actually some of the Maya dust that the MI Woodsman was so kind to give me. Getting smoked out here. There's a bunch of the birch bark shape or pieces I had made up. Move this stuff to the side. I'll let this thing get away from me. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're gonna take some this cheese broccoli here, which calls for about a cup and a half of water. I don't know if you can see this, but using that 16 ounces, actually it called for some milk, but I don't have any powdered milk with me, and I'm just gonna try to get this baby going here quick. Well, it appears that we got plenty of air here, airflow. We're getting flame up through it. Good job, Robert. I also have a little handy-dandy cover there. What I plan on doing is transferring it into this. My Woodsman made me this koozie, and I just happen to have a Foster's can, which I'll put in that koozie, transfer the water from the jug into this koozie into this, and then cover it up, and it'll sit there and cook once I got it to a boil, so I don't have to keep feeding the flame. So anyway, we'll let this thing get to boil and I'll come on back. Okay, we're getting some bubbles in there. So she's working. See the flame? Looking pretty darn good. Good job, Robert. I'll bring you back when I get her closer here. Okay, folks, we got some boiling going on here, just starting to roil. The old fire's going good. A little windy, so I'm going to cover that back up and then come back and make some meal. Talk to you later. Be back. Okay. Cheddar and black broccoli. And a little salt and pepper. Okay, there it goes. Nothing. Set that down there. And put the cozy on there. So we'll wait probably 10-15 minutes and I'll bring it back and see how this thing tastes. And thanks to Robert at BluegrassBushcraft for that awesome stove. Worked like a champ. Thanks a lot, Robert. And we'll bring it right back after about 10-15 minutes later. I thought I'd boil up another cup of coffee here while I'm at it, and then I'll do a separate review on the little stove that John MI Woodsman sent me. But so anyway, I'll be back here with a little bit of coffee and some chow later. Take a look here. Got a little bubbling going on in there. Zoom in. See that little bubble? That's hot enough for me. So I'll be a little cup of mud. There's a bit of flotsam in there, jetsam, a little sweet little, yeah, a little bit of Maxwell House instant. Let mine. Yeah, looks like that'll be enough. Wait till the foam settles so I can see. I'll do a little bit more. Strong coffee, beautiful day in the neighborhood here in Michigan. Then this is my backyard, in between business breaks or what have you. Well, that fire's dying down there, so I should be good there. Let's see what we're doing. How this is doing. It still needs to absorb. It's not even al dente yet, but that cozy will do its trick, and it's sealed up. Hope you can see that. I hope that's in there. Oh, there we go. Anyway, I just stirred it, and take a look, see here. And it's still not al dente yet, hasn't absorbed the juices, so we'll let that heat go to work, and that cozy the MI Woodsman made me. I'll be back. Okay, I was sitting here waiting. Might as well have a drink of this coffee. Let's see, probably burn the heck out of my lip. Not bad. Not bad at all. So that thing, I'm sitting there waiting, and I got my coffee, and here's my apple tree. Last year I had a bumper crop, and this year is not doing too hot. It's about probably a third of what was produced last year. That's a Red Delicious, and that little tree next to it is a Macintosh. It has a few on there, but coming through the surgery this spring, I didn't have a garden at all, and kind of bummed out about it, because it's been the first year I haven't had a garden in, I don't know, God, how long, probably 30 years, something like that. But yeah, I got there's my dog Tia. Say hi, Tia. Hey, hi. She's a good girl. Getting chunky in her old age. Anyway, here's to good coffee with good friends. All that sound effects probably driving you nuts. I don't want to make this a huge long one here, because I've been splicing it together. So I'll come on back when this baby's finally cooked in that cozy, and hopefully it turns out pretty good. I'll be back, folks. Hey folks, I'm back. Just wanted to show you a couple things I had here. I bought this ferrule rod here from let's see here if you can read that. This is lightmyfire.com. Anyway, it's a dandy. I bought that about 3 years ago, actually. But I also bought a fire piston, which I had in my little fire bag here. But it's gotten a little bit of fuzz on it, so I mean, see that. Anyway, I got to get that baby cleaned off and oiled and all that, but it's a nice little fire piston. It definitely does work. And I got plenty of char cloth made up. Big bag, several bags like that. So if you notice, I use that in the beginning of the video too. So anyway, I'm just sitting here biding time, waiting for this thing to cook. I'll be back again later. Okay, I had to come in here and do some business here, so I took the thing in the house, and I'm going to stir this up a little bit. Yeah, it's nice and al dente now, still steaming. Got the fan going. That's good. See that steam? Not bad for no milk in it. Next time I'll get some. I gotta put some dried milk powder in pack. But anyway, here's another bite. Damn, not bad. So anyway, folks, this old Foster's can had a side cutter, which I cut the top off. You know, John MI Woodsman made this cozy here, which really cuts down, you know, time cooking stuff on an open fire. You can save a whole lot of sticks and, you know, whatever energy putting into that, with it just cooking in its own juices and staying hot by itself. So anyway, that's my video for Bluegrass Bushcraft Robert, for that awesome cooker that he made. And anyway, Lumberman 2011 signing out. Take care, folks.